So, I sketched my special place. This is a map of my backyard when I was growing up. This is my home. This is the field. This we called the woods. This was the bridge to paradise. And over here was paradise. Here was our sliding hill. I had lots of fun adventures in all of these different areas. We skated over here in the brook. We had lots of sliding parties. Went on picnics over here at Paradise. So I have my places mapped out. And I have a lot of important stories in my mind and in my heart that I could choose to write about. Now, I need to choose which one of these places in my map I'm going to write about today. So, try that yourself. We'll try it together. Pretend that you're stuck. You're not sure what to write about. You look up at the list of strategies. You decide to think of a place that matters to you. Right now, think of a place that matters to you. Okay, writers. You saw how I sketched my map. Now I'd like you to quickly make a map yourself. It will be like a treasure map, only instead of mapping hidden treasures, you've mapped hidden stories. Writers, while you're working on that, I'd like you to listen. What are those treasures that you're digging up in those places? Why don't you share with someone beside you? Writers, do you think it would make sense to spend a whole writing workshop mapping stories? No, you're exactly right. Listing or mapping story ideas takes 5 minutes. And it's a way to warm yourself up for stories you're going to write. Then comes the important part. Writing, writing, writing. Right now, mark the story idea that you will write today. Is it on your story map? Or have you already got your own story idea? Maybe you don't need to use either of these strategies that we've worked on. So you need to start working on your story and write. From this day forward and the rest of your lives, remember that whenever you're sitting in front of an empty page, feeling stuck over what to write about, you can use either strategy that is on our list, or you can use a whole different strategy. Today, how many of you don't need these strategies because you already have a story to tell? Let's watch and see how quickly our writers can get started on their story.